Filmora versus Canva. Which content creation tool is better? Choosing the right content creation tool can completely change how you produce engaging visuals without wasting time or compromising quality. Filmora and Canva both offer unique strengths for creators. Filmora and Canva are popular tools for creating digital content, but they serve different purposes. Filmora is a video editing software focused on detailed video production, while Canva centers on easy graphic design and quick content creation with templates and drag-and-drop simplicity. Filmora is a professional-grade video editing software designed to simplify complex editing tasks. It works by providing a timeline-based interface where users can import video clips, audio, and images, then arrange and edit them with precision. Filmora offers a wide range of features such as multi-track editing, effects, transitions, and color correction tools. Its strength lies in balancing advanced capabilities with an accessible user interface, making it suitable for both beginners and intermediate users who want more control over their videos. However, Filmora requires installation on a desktop and can have a steeper learning curve compared to simpler tools. It is ideal for content creators focused on video projects, such as YouTubers, marketers, and educators who need powerful editing features without the complexity of high-end software. For those aiming to produce polished videos with custom effects and detailed edits, Filmora is a robust choice. Canva is a web-based graphic design platform that enables users to create a wide variety of visual content quickly. It works through an intuitive drag-and-drop interface with thousands of customizable templates for social media posts, presentations, posters, and even simple videos. Canva's strength is its ease of use and accessibility, requiring no prior design experience. It offers a large library of images, fonts, and design elements, making it ideal for fast content creation and collaboration. However, Canva's video editing capabilities are more limited compared to dedicated software like Filmora, focusing mainly on basic video trimming and simple animations. It's perfect for marketers, social media managers, and small business owners who need to produce attractive visuals and short videos without investing time in complex editing. Canva excels at streamlining design workflows for users who prioritize speed and simplicity over detailed video production. Filmora and Canva cater to different creative needs. Filmora excels in detailed video editing with advanced tools that allow precise control over footage, making it suitable for longer videos and complex projects. Canva, on the other hand, shines in quick graphic design and lightweight video content, offering an easy-to-use platform with ready-made templates ideal for social media and marketing visuals. If you need professional video editing with effects and transitions, Filmora delivers more depth, but requires more time to learn. Canva is better for rapid content creation with minimal technical skills, though it lacks Filmora's editing power. Choosing between them depends on your focus. Filmora suits video creators seeking flexibility and polish, while Canva works best for those needing fast, visually appealing designs and short clips. Choose Filmora if your priority is advanced video editing with detail control and effects, perfect for creators focused on producing polished professional videos. Option Filmora if you want a fast, user-friendly tool for graphic design and simple video content, especially for social media and marketing. Both tools excel in their areas, so pick based on whether video depth or design speed matters most for your project.